that was just incredible. Like, it was different to how I expected. It was very, very cooling. Like, I had a really inflamed scalp. Tony gave me a consultation and told me that I had a lot of inflammation. There was a lot of seborrheic dermatitis, which is common in guys, and I needed a lot of work done. And 2 hours later, I've been through the most beautiful processes with the gorgeous Alice here. First of all, put this cap on my head, and it infused my scalp with this really cool steam, which I thought was going to be hot, but it was cool. And that gave my whole scalp a real calming effect. And then we went on to having a scalp mask, which was also very cool. And it was made with all nature's ingredients like seaweed, and it was just beautiful. And like, that was probably my best point, where I was just melting into this fabulous treatment. And then we've gone through the different lotions and potions that Alice is using here. She's really treating the root cause. She's really getting all of the damage calmed and healed. And yeah, there's a lot to it, a lot more than I thought. And overall, I think the best experience is that I feel better about myself. I feel like I can go to my dinner party tonight and I can feel confident, I used to have psoriasis that used to have dandruff on my shoulders. I avoided wearing black t-shirts because it was so bad. And I'm going to give it the t-shirt test afterwards. But thank you, Alice.